If you sell clothing, shoes, or any product where sizing matters, adding a size guide or fit chart to your Shopify store is one of the best things you can do for your customers. A clear size chart helps shoppers choose the correct size, reduces returns, and increases buyer confidence. The good news is that creating a size guide in Shopify is easier than you might think. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create and display a size guide or fit chart for your products, step by step, even if you're completely new to Shopify. To get started, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're signed in, the first thing you'll need is the actual sizing information. This could include measurements such as chest width, waist size, inseam length, shoe size conversions, or any other measurements relevant to your products. Make sure your measurements are accurate because customers will rely on this information when making purchasing decisions. One of the easiest ways to create a size guide is by using a page. In your Shopify dashboard, click Online Store and then click Pages. Next, click Add Page. Give the page a title such as Size Guide, Sizing Chart, or Fit Guide. Inside the content editor, enter your sizing information. You can type the measurements manually or create a table for a cleaner appearance. To create a table, use the formatting tools available in the editor. Add columns for sizes such as small, medium, large, and extra large, and then enter the corresponding measurements. You can also add helpful notes explaining how customers should measure themselves. Once you've finished creating the chart, click Save. Your size guide page has now been created, but customers still need a way to access it from product pages. Next, go to Online Store and click Customize next to your active theme. Open one of your product templates in the theme editor. Many modern Shopify themes include blocks like collapsible row, pop-up, or custom liquid that can be added to product pages. Click Add Block and look for a collapsible row or pop-up block. Add the block to the product page and give it a title such as Size Guide or Fit Chart. Depending on your theme, you may be able to directly connect this block to the page you created earlier or paste the sizing information into the block itself. If your theme supports dynamic content, you can even create different size guides for different product categories. For example, shirts, shoes, and jackets can each have their own separate sizing charts. Another option is to use Shopify apps. Go to Apps and visit the Shopify App Store. Search for terms like size chart or fit guide. Many apps allow you to create professional-looking charts, display them in pop-up windows, and assign different charts to different products automatically. After setting everything up, visit your online store and open a product page. Make sure the size guide is easy to find and works properly. Test it on both desktop and mobile devices because many customers shop using their phones. You should also regularly review your size charts and update them whenever product measurements change. Incorrect sizing information can lead to customer complaints and increased returns. To quickly recap, gather accurate measurements, create a dedicated size guide page, add the guide to your product pages using the theme editor, consider using a size chart app for advanced features, and always test the customer experience on multiple devices. I hope this tutorial helped you learn how to create a size guide or fit chart for your products in Shopify. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more beginner-friendly Shopify tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.